What's up, my good people? Hello, my amazing family. Hope you're doing great wherever you are. I'm also doing fine. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your very first time you step by, kindly consider subscribing, like, share and comment to this video. Let me know what you think about my video today. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I appreciate for the love and support, guys. I never take that for granted. Feel much welcomed again and again. Keep showing me love. And guys, if you've not smashed that like button, do so as we keep watching this video. Comment, leave sweet comment, guys. Kindly leave sweet comment. Yeah, for today's video, actually loud and clear from my village, and I want to share with you this favorite meal. Like, it's so delicious meal that we normally serve the meal during breakfast, lunchtime, and we also use this meal as a anytime you feel like biting that bite, you want to use it. Yeah, so I'm going to prepare with you the pancake. Yeah, the pancakes. Let me know from the comment section, how do you call pancakes in your village or in your area or wherever you're coming from or wherever you're watching this video from? How do you call the pancake? So to me, actually, we call the pancake. Yeah, and in another local language that we use, we say ibisuguti. Suguti, like they taste like the biscuits or the cookies, but we normally call them ibisuguti, tam. Yeah, that's what in our local language, guys. Never mind about it. But so I'm going to share with you. Hope from this thing that I'm going to show you, you're going to learn something. And if you've not tried it, try it with me here, guys. So let's just go there. Yeah, I want to start by setting my jiko, and also I have my water here. I think I placed my So guys, I'm going to start this by boiling my water. Actually, the water that I'm going to use. Yeah. So guys, with me here, I have everything that I'm going to use here. Actually, I have the sweet bananas. We call them sweet bananas. How do you call these at your home, at your place, guys? Because here we call them sweet bananas. They're small bananas, and they're so sweet, and they taste sweet, like that sweet. And I have the flour here, and also I have my eggs here, my 5 eggs here, guys. Yeah, try it with eggs or not with eggs. Everything matches, but with me, I normally use the eggs, guys. Yeah, because it tastes so nice, so sweet. Yeah, so let me peel off this. So guys, these are my sweet bananas here. You see them? Yeah. So I'm going to smash them into small pieces, like. So the bananas are ready, guys, and I'm going to use my baking powder. 1 spoon of 1 spoon of baking powder. I'll put my so it's time for mixing. It's ready, guys. It's ready. So the remaining part is this. Meanwhile, let's set the pan. We'll put some oil. Yo guys, we are done. They are ready. So it's time for burning them. Yeah, so actually wow, the food is ready guys. Everything is ready, and this is what we call pancake. Yeah, and this is how we do it in our village. Hope you've enjoyed everything and hope you've learned something. For correction guys, kindly tell me if you've ever tried this and maybe I did it in another way. Kindly tell me how I can do it in another way guys. So let me just test mine. Look at it guys, this is it. Wow. Guys, I'm even lacking words. It's so sweet. Delicious. Kindly, if you've not ever tried this, try this and you'll thank me later. It's so sweet. Delicious. Wow. Wow, it's so sweet, guys. This actually it's served during the breakfast, lunchtime, dinner time, anytime. You can just use it anytime. This is how we do it, and hope you've enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching this video to this far end. Hit that like button. Let me know what you think about my video today, and let's meet again in the next one. Guys, I really love you from the bottom of my heart. Stay, be blessed, and always my premier gang. Mwah, mwah, mwah. My premier gang. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Thank you so much. Hit that like button.